want to see the basement in the Alamo. Holler at you, buddy. Oh, fine, yes, that'll work. Good choice. I could live with that choice. You might want to put that back. Hey, wipe off the screen, would you? Hey, did you see my frog somewhere around here? Oh! Hey, you're getting me all wet! Thanks, sunshine. You're drowning me! I'm being liquidated. Oh, I'm water everywhere! No. Matryoshka! I live in a box. I live in a box. Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Pay attention to me. No, not that. Oh! Ow! I know! Oh! No! Oh, please, stop! No, please! Oh, God! The pain! Oh, God! No. No. Mama! Ay! Make it stop! So? Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. Ooh, do you know anyone famous? I'm a pirate. Arr, just kidding. Hey, let's get down to business. I'm dying. Beep. Ow! Choose something else. Ugh, it stinks like garbage in here. That's my world. Woo! Babushka! That's not good. Oh, pardon me. Blah! Thank you, darling. Time out! Mama told me not to come. Care to dance? So, what do you want to do? No! Son of a bee sting! Hi, Chihuahua! Quick! Get off me, Freddy! No, not that. Well. Glee! Siri, call the ambulance! I'm burning! Siri, where's the nearest hospital? Ooh. Open a window! You're a bad person! My God, why? No. Can I go watch the X-Files for a while? Hey! Ow! Buddy, angry! Oh my God! Ow! I'm out! Whoa! Oh, please, stop! No, please! Ow! Oh! La. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Eat. Want to trade places? You might want to put that back. Oh, excuse me. Boring. No. Steamboat Willie. I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, all right? Hey, take your time. No, not that. Excuse me. Don't get my box wet. I can't take it! Hold the phone steady. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap. I wish it would last forever. No. I am wrapped in darkness. Pop and roll! Oh! The pain! No! What's wrong with you? Put it back. Yeah, just put it back. Go to a shooting range.
Destroy all buddies.
Choose something else. Hey, get me all broken. I gotta pull myself together. That's not good. Hey, it's time to hurt somebody. I want to see the basement in the Alamo. Have you been to the moon? Matryoshka! No, not that. Hey, wipe off the screen, would you? Think it turned me toward the TV.
This is rather peaceful.
Ugh, it stinks like garbage in here. Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while.
Just call me Indiana. Dun, dun, dun.
Babushka!